In this video, I will show you how to fix Microsoft Excel not responding, starting, or opening in Windows 11. If Microsoft Excel is not responding, starting, or opening on Windows 11, here are some steps that you can try. First, you can repair Microsoft Office. To do that, go ahead and head over into your settings, and on your settings, head over into the Apps tab. So click on the Apps tab, and under the Apps tab, head over into the Installed Apps tab. So you can also find that under the Apps and Features. In here, go ahead and find Microsoft Office, click on it, and select Modify. Choose either Quick Repair or Online Repair. Another thing that you can do is to run Excel in safe mode. Press Win plus R, type Excel/save, and hit Enter. This disables add-ins that might be causing issues. Third thing that you can do is to update Excel and Windows. Ensure both Excel and Windows are updated to the latest versions. Updates often fix bugs and compatibility issues. And if that doesn't work as well, what you can do is to open your command prompt and type in sfc/scan now. This scans and repairs corrupted system files on your Windows device. And that's basically how you can fix Microsoft Excel is not responding, starting, or opening on Windows 11. If this video was helpful, please don't forget to give this video a like, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell to keep updated with our latest videos. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.